which is actually quite large. This is a pull-out sofa, 2 chairs. The only thing that changes with these rooms is the view. The interior is the same. This one has a bit of a view of the ocean. Balcony with, or a terrace with chairs, which is nice. Mini fridge that's stocked daily. Plugins for your devices. Flat screen TV. Beautiful. And full length mirror. And this is the bathroom with a shower, toilet, jacuzzi tub, decorated very tastefully. These rooms are clearly oceanfront. Look at how close you are to the ocean in these rooms. The adult-only pool. Quiet, peaceful, and right next to the ocean. This is Coral Beach, and behind me is the adult-only pool, and this is the adult-only area for swimming in the ocean. And that magnificent structure there is the wedding gazebo. This is beautiful. Quiet little areas for 2 people to relax, have a cold drink. No long walk to the beach. Beautiful.
Which is a seafood restaurant. This is the only one that's open for lunch, and the reason being because it's on this side of the property. So we opened that area for lunch, so guests that are on this beach, they can access that area for lunch, as well as we have a jerk hut right below you. All right. Good morning.
This is the spa area. How beautiful is this?
Good morning. You can do it after and before your massage if you like. I like this.
How unique is this?
If it wasn't busy, I would have showed it all to you. Alright? But I guess I can probably. Yeah. You just have to pay to use this area? Okay. Yeah, and if you don't utilize the area after your treatment, you can do it the next day after, alright? Now, we have a juice bar over there, and we recommend that you use the juice bar before and after your treatment, alright? Because if we only provide like healthy juices, healthy bars, and like sandwiches, alright?
You can swim out right to this pool. Good morning. Healthy habits. I'm excellent, thank you. Salon for makeup and hair. One of the treatment rooms.
It has all the things to use to do your hair. Yeah.
Oh. And it's included in the wedding package, I understand.
Really? Yes. It's all everything.
And everything for the styling of the hair, and it also has a nice tub on the inside, and it's a very beautiful room. But apparently a bride has stuff on the inside, so it's closed now.
When you check into the Grand Palladium, you get your keys from the front desk and the details that you need. The bellman will take your luggage to your room, and then you can walk over to this fabulous little stand, have a cookie, rum and coke, rum and juice.
Hey, come here, little lad.
How cool is this? We are in the weddings office, so this is where you would come to meet the wedding planner the day after you arrive. This is the main buffet. Look at this pool and view. Incredible.